Hi everyone, we have seen that there are 7 different natural notes or 7 different white keys which repeats itself, namely C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now to find any particular key, you have to remember only 2 keys. They are C and F. So where is C? C is the white key which is just before group of 2 black keys. So this is 2 black key, this one is C. 2 black keys, this is C. 2 black keys, this is C. Similarly, F key is just before group of 3 black keys. So this is F, this is F, this is F. Now if you want to find D, so D is just next to C. This is D, or this is F, F, E, D. So you have to take C and F as a reference to find any other key. This is very simple.